The AirPod Pro 3s have now been out for about 4 months, and I gotta say, I might have been wrong about what I thought about these little beauties right here. The AirPods Pro 3, they've been absolutely phenomenal in my opinion, and I still stand by what I said in my original video. I'll go over some of those opinions real quick, but there's one feature that really changed the game for me, and I'm going to get into that at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. So first off, what did I not like about these guys? I think I had a few opinions that I still think it's the right opinion. The fact that I don't think these sound all that much better than the AirPod Pros 2. In fact, I kind of think the Pro 2s sound a little bit better, a little bit more full in my opinion. Now, for somebody who pretty much only listens to podcasts and audiobooks, that's not a huge deal for me. The audio on it, it's good enough. I do love taking phone calls on these. I don't know about you. I abhor the phone. I hate picking up phone calls. What makes it a little bit better is having these AirPods because, man, it is just having just a little guy in your ear as opposed to holding on to an entire cell phone. These things are so much better than holding a cell phone to your ear for a long conversation. And then the fact that I've got kids, man, I can do noise cancellation and cut them out of the background of a call if I need to hear somebody. They do a pretty good job at cutting out audio from other people or outside sources. But when you need noise cancellation, they're pretty solid. But that was kind of my second gripe with these guys, was the fact that I didn't feel like the noise cancellation was all that much better. Apple made a claim they were so much better than the AirPod Pros 2. I don't feel like the 3s really did all that much to make the noise cancellation that much better. And so because of that, I thought, maybe you could save some money and not go with the 3s and get the 2s. And then the last thing that I really thought was an issue with these guys was the fact that the silicone, when I put them in my ears the first time, they actually hurt after I used them for a little while. Like the little silicone tips on there, they're a lot harder than they were on the old ones. So like the old ones, they were a little bit softer. These new ones are a lot harder than the old ones were. And I thought that was going to be an issue, and long term, my ears got completely used to it probably after about a week, and I literally have these in for hours and hours and hours every day, and I don't notice any like chafing or any kind of rubbing or anything. They're fantastic. But it doesn't really matter about those things. The fact of the matter is, if these broke tomorrow, I would 100% replace them. I don't think the $250 price point is too absurd for these guys. And you can find them on sale sometimes. And one of the reasons why I told you to go to, the 2s is because you're going to get them at a very sharp discount. Like, look at this real quick. If you got AirPod Pros 2, the renewed ones, $159 for a pair of AirPod Pros 2 that are fantastic. I think that's definitely worth that savings from the, $250 price point of the 3s. I think that savings is worth it compared to some of the features that you get. However, for me, the one feature that makes it that I would spend more money on these guys is this little guy right here. That right there is the heartbeat sensor in the AirPod Pros 2. Now, the reason they have a heartbeat sensor because they want people to work out with these even when they don't have an Apple Watch. Totally a cool feature. Not worth it to me because I use an Apple Watch Ultra every single day. So that's not the reason why this is cool. The reason why this is cool, I am somebody who struggles really bad with sleep. I average 4.5 hours a night. It's terrible. My brain's going to turn to mush at some point. But I get way better sleep when I listen to some kind of an audiobook, or typically audiobooks. And it has to be an audiobook that I'm very familiar with. So right now I'm going through the Harry Potter full cast series. It's freaking awesome. They've did such a good job on those things. And so I'll listen to those books, and when I fall asleep, because I have a heartbeat sensor on, it senses that I fell asleep and it pauses the book right there for me. And this is a game changer for me. Like if I don't have AirPods in and I'm not listening to a book that I'm really familiar with, my thoughts race. I think about what I have to do tomorrow. I think about all sorts of different things, and I never fall asleep. But if I have a story going, especially one with as soothing as a voice as these, full cast Harry Potter things, I'll put them on. I'll listen for like 10 minutes and then I am just out like a light. And I used to have to like search through the book and all that kind of stuff and try to find where I was before. But now when it pauses the recording because my heart rate dropped when I fell asleep, that is absolutely huge to me. So having that one feature alone makes the AirPod Pros 3 so valuable in my life because I can get so much more done when I get good sleep. And yes, I know on Audible you can set it to end at the end of the chapter. However, I listen to books sometimes with really long chapters, and so like hour and a half chapters, which is wild. So just having the ability for it to pause right the moment I fall asleep, and then sometimes I do wake up a lot, like 7 times a night, and so I'll just pop an AirPod back in, and as soon as I do that, it picks up right where it left off. That is such a cool feature. Apple, way to go on that. So yes, I used to dislike the AirPod Pro 3, but after having used them for 4 months now as my every single day AirPods, and using them every single night as my sleeping AirPods, man, they're pretty sick. So I can definitely say if you pick these up, I don't think you're going to be disappointed. Granted, if you don't have sleep problems, go with the 2s because they're so much cheaper, but the 3s are great for me. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you think of the AirPod Pro 3. Do you think they're worth it? And do you think you're going to give that a shot of trying to fall asleep to a book and seeing if it pauses for you? They're awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Sub to the channel. Like this video if you found it helpful. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.